heading out to the airport. So yeah. So I'm going to Sydney for 2 weeks. So yeah. So this time will be a 9-hour flight. So we are taking Cathay Pacific, and so also we can check in our phone, and then we just need to drop off our luggage. So here we have some Christmas decoration in Hong Kong airport. So yeah. Because the check-in process is really quick, so we have so much time buffer. So yeah. Hi guys, so now I'm waiting outside of the lounge because my parents went inside the lounge and I'm now sitting outside. I'm gonna eat my bread. Show you guys my bread. So my flight is 9:30 p.m. and the boarding time is 8:50. Yes. So there's still some time, 1 hour I guess. Yeah. But I'm gonna sit here and eat for a while. So this time I'm going to Australia. It's gonna be a 2 weeks trip. I'm going Sydney, and in between I have a short trip flying to Melbourne, and it will be fun because this time I didn't plan much. I'm gonna just go with the flow. So not gonna know what's gonna happen. I planned something, but not much. So let's see what we're gonna do. I'm not really sure. So yeah, see you guys later. So in our row, there's like 4 seats in the middle, and we have 3 people, and we are in the on the last row, so that's why our seats can lay back. And also, our strategy is to buy a free seat and have one middle is like left over, so that we can think that there's no one gonna sit there, and turn out really there's no one sitting there. So we have one more seat buffer. So now I'm watching and eating some snack, and yeah. Process is really quick, but the luggage we waited for a while. But also we have something need to declare, so that's why we need to wait in a long queue for them to check. So yeah, and then we call over. So now we are heading out, but I can't really show you guys our apartment because that's my sister's place. So yeah, I'm living in my sister's place. So now I'm heading to Macquarie Center, and I've never been to there, so it will be interesting for me going there because I've never been to there. So actually, I want to tell you guys something. I spent the most time in Sydney. I would say it's the supermarket. I literally come here every day, literally every single day, once in a day, at least once, sometimes twice. I want to say the weather is really good now. The sun come out. See, it's blue the sky. This morning is really cloudy, so we bought a lot of stuff from supermarket and we're going back to our apartment. Today is a really sunny day and I went out for breakfast with my father's friend, and now we headed to a farm called Harris Farm. They buy more like expensive stuff because their fruits and their product is more like fresh and more like daily made, like fresh, yeah. So yeah. Hi guys, so just now I'm going to sleep, like take a nap. It was so cold at nap. I was so sleepy. I don't know why I'm so sleepy, but I took a nap and now I'm heading to my sister's new place. So actually she is moving. So now I'm actually heading to look at her new place. After going to her new place, we headed to the mall. We are in Maya. I want to say something. I come to this mall every single day. I already know like how to go to the supermarket, how to go to Maya, to different store. I'm really familiar with this place now. Aldi, so under my sister's recommendation, she said Aldi is the cheapest out of Coles, Woolies, and Aldi. So yeah, but to be honest, it has less choices. Yeah. So actually we are heading to a buffet tonight. It's really famous, this buffet, and this is famous for its oyster and all of its seafood. So yeah, it's in the Centrals. No, Barangaroo. Yeah, Barangaroo. So actually the buffet places is inside the hotel, and it's my first time here in Barangaroo station, and the suburb is really pretty. Maybe it's like in the seaside. Yeah, I would say this place is really huge, and also they have many tables like near the windows. The lighting is really good. I would say the highlight is seafood. Their seafood, all of their seafood is really fresh and so tasty, especially the oyster. The oyster is so good. But for other food, I would say it's just like not so special, not so specific. So I think it's okay. So I would say the seafood is highlight. So eat a lot of seafood. I want to say something. This place is really cool. They have like a beach cinema, and people will buy tickets and sit in the sofa and beds to watch movie. That is so cool. So yeah, and after our buffet, we are headed back to our places. I want to say something. In Australia, the sky turns dark really late. The canvas is really big. Oh my god. Like, seriously. usually this time coming here, I don't have much to do, just hanging around and nothing much to do. So just now I asked my friend if he want to watch movie with me. So we're gonna watch movie together at 3:45. So now I'm heading to there. I found out Australia really didn't have much things to do. Like either you go to beach, picnic, or hiking, like playing in the forest or like near like other than that there's not really much things to do. So I watched Avada with my friend. I highly recommend this movie. It's really visually enjoyment, really good. And now that I had a bag for Christmas Eve dinner, we have some lamb, yeah, and this is our really good dessert. My mom made it. It's ice cream with cake, yeah. So today is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. I know I'm late because I'm lazy to edit the video, but yeah. So we went to Korean places, and I want to say something because in Christmas Day, Australia, most shop is closed. So yeah, and for dinner, we went to my friend's house for dinner and have like a Western style dinner, and then we played a mahjong. This is a Chinese traditional mahjong, yeah, and yes. I got really lucky today. I win like in a row, like 4 times in a row. So yeah, so happy.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet